Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Jota anti-back vinyl chair assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest with fixings attached, mechanism, 5-star base, 5 casters, gas strut, 1 Allen key, and 4 22mm bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, take the backrest and unscrew the fixing bolt. Slide the mechanism onto the backrest like this and attach using the fixing bolt. Now, looking at the underside of the seat pad, note that the holes furthest from the edge denote the front of the stall, and the arrow on the mechanism illustrates the front of the mech. Place the mechanism on the seat pad as shown and attach using the 4 22mm bolts. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Next, take the seat pad and lift it onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Jota anti-back vinyl chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.